guys, welcome back. You're in the kitchen with Janae. It's smoky, I get it. But guess what? We're making lentil soup today.
You know you want this for this.
The pot is boiling. This nice pot that I have from my grandma. You know, gotta keep some things in the family. So with the lentils, it's 2 to 4 cups. I have 2 cups just for me. So if you're on a family, I would say do 4 cups. I'm gonna turn this heat down. Make sure that you have your, I think it's called no chicken broth, or make sure you have your vegetable broth. This is vegetable broth that I have there. Then I have 1 stalk of celery and 1 carrot in here. 2 cans of fire roasted tomatoes, but I'm only gonna use 1 because, you know, it's just me. If I would have did the 4 cups of lentil, then I would have did the 2 tomatoes. And then this is Italian seasoning. This is about either 2 or 3 tablespoons of it. Everything that I use is, you can put more or less in it depending on how you want it. Then I have my sweet onion, just a small sweet onion here. We got garlic powder, probably gonna do like 2 tablespoons of that. We're gonna put paprika in it. Don't I put paprika in everything? Some onion powder. Some Worcestershire sauce. Oh, sorry y'all, this is Italian seasoning. Some garlic. Y'all know I like to chop my garlic, but I was like, you know what, for this, we're definitely going to make sure that we use the jar garlic, minced garlic. And it's in extra virgin olive oil, so that really made me be like, yeah, I'm going to pick that up real quick. The Adobo seasoning, this will be my first time trying it. It says that it is an all-purpose seasoning, so y'all know I'm down for that. Some cumin. Some Rachel Ray's, because you know I love all her stuff. I got a lot of her pots and pans, but this is the pink Himalayan salt. So we're going to be, you know, crushing that. And then I have the black grinder of pepper. We're going to be crushing that as well. And let's see if I'm missing anything. Turmeric. So that is all the seasoning and everything that we're going to be putting in this today. So you have about, I have 4 cups in here, but you're probably, if you don't want to do the, if you're going to do the 4 cups of lentil, I would say put 6 to 8 cups of water in here. So now that that's been boiling, we're going to go ahead and put the lentils in it. And then we're going to go ahead and give it a stir. Okay. And you're going to keep it uncovered for 5 to 10 minutes. Now this is the lid that goes with it. Ain't it beautiful? But we're going to keep this uncovered. And while it is cooking uncovered, put this up just a tad bit. All right, you guys, so the 10 minutes is up, and we're gonna go ahead and add the ingredients in. So the first thing that you want to add in is the tomatoes. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one up, and I'm going to go ahead and rinse the top off and then pour it in. And you pour in everything, even including the juices. Okay. And then we want to add in our carrots and celery next. Carrots and celery. Give it a nice stir. The one thing that you can do at the end to thicken it, if you end up like not really wanting it real soupy, is tomato paste. But right now you want it to be, you know, soupy, because it's gonna end up cooking down. Then we're gonna add in the onions. I don't think I'm gonna use all the onions. And then okay, we're gonna add in the garlic, like a whole heap of garlic. And y'all can decide how much garlic y'all want in it, but you know, this is my first time dealing with this kind of minced garlic, so I'm gonna put quite a bit in it. And I took all the lentils out and put them in its own container because I wanted to show y'all what the package of the lentils look like. So it looks like that, and then the lentils are like really small, like that. That's what you need. Alright, let me give it a good stir real quick, and then we're going to add in the seasonings to this. It smells so good once you added that garlic in. And the roasted tomatoes. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is probably about to be some bomb soup for y'all to try if y'all never had it before. Then we're going to add in some onion powder. Put it down there. So about probably like probably do 2 tablespoons. Y'all can add it to, depending on how y'all want it to be. And the garlic powder as well. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of that. Sounds like a little bit much. Okay. Some paprika, and I love my paprika. Just a little bit of that. Some Worcestershire sauce. Now, just a little bit of turmeric. Hope y'all guys, after my last video, looked up what turmeric benefits are. I'm telling y'all, there's some health benefits in those turmeric. And it's such a pretty golden color. The Adobo seasoning a little bit. Okay. Now with the Italian seasoning, if y'all don't have it, then y'all can definitely just use some oregano and I would say some parsley together to substitute. Okay. Then we're gonna do some crushed pepper. Love doing crushed pepper, and I love a lot of pepper, y'all, so don't mind me why I crushed away. Okay, some cumin, and then last but not least, we're going to go ahead and do the Himalayan salt. This is what it looks like. Kind of using, like I said, the Rachel Ray. Okay, and now we're going to shake up this vegetable broth. And we're going to put the whole thing in. And I know it's going to seem like a lot, but like I said, it's going to simmer down. I mean, it's going to cook down. Give it one last stir. Let me give this a good stir before we add that salt in. Smelling so good. Yeah, I'm a fan of like what they call bean soup with navy beans, which I'll probably be making soon on this channel. And this is just as good. I mean, of course, you know, nothing is top like some bean soup, but definitely is a close second. I'm gonna add a little bit of that into it. Extra flavor. You know, it's better than regular salt, so it's good to have that staple in your cabinets. Okay, so we're gonna have this cook uncovered for 10 to 15 minutes on a medium high heat. And you guys, I'll be right back with you, so stay tuned. All right, so it is done now. I'm putting it on simmer. This is what it's looking like. And I'm about to taste some of it, you guys. And don't worry, for all y'all that's about to talk about me, put my mouth on the spoon. I'm not about to double dip or anything. I have me a bowl that I'm about to make me a bowl of it soon. Let me try it first, see how I like it. It's piping hot, but the flavors are there. Like, I wouldn't change a thing about it, y'all. A thing. I wouldn't change a thing. So I'm gonna let the rest of this simmer, but we're gonna have me a bowl of it. Show you guys what it's looking like in here. Yumminess. Alright, you guys, so this concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm about to have the bowl I have over here of it. Like, I'm telling y'all, let me know if y'all try this, so y'all can take pictures, send me anything. Like, comment below if y'all end up making this and tell me how it went. Like, this is the real deal. And this is for y'all vegetarians and vegans out there, because I'm telling y'all, I got y'all. I'm making more meals for y'all as well. Like this video, comment below. Let me know some other vegan or vegetarian meals that y'all would like for me to make for you guys, because I'm open to all suggestions. And we shall be back soon. But again, don't forget to like this, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time with me. And if you are new, hi. Thank you for joining me.